Mga namimili po sa SM. Isa po kaming pamilya.
Yo! I got a pledge of money and I buy something.
Ano to?
I can
30 pesos.
Wag yan, yan.
Ano mo, mapapalo mo sa mukha mo. Oh, mamacita.
Sunny J!
Ano mo siya, amorichut. Ay, anchut.
Meron pa diyang ano, aling sitas naman. Hindi mamasitas.
Hey, take a look at my kitchen.
Oh, okay. Roger that, boss, roger that. Where's your kitchen, boss?
There! I'm hungry. Where's your shower room? Do you want some free taste of more?
Okay, so let's buy some shampoo.
I think may tama pa kami.
Yeah.
Hindi pa namin naiuutot yung tama namin.
This is what's going to happen if you're going to drink Matador.
You know why my face is smooth? I take pH care.
Ito gago.